What's up, y'all? Welcome back to another vlog. Today's Wednesday. My hair looks a hot mess. I know. So yeah, it's looking real. I'm about to do my hair. I was trying to figure out like what type of hairstyle I wanted to do. I went on Pinterest. I found me a hairstyle that is, I'm thinking it's not gonna be too complicated. Right now, I'm just about to wash my hair. I'm gonna show y'all what I'm gonna use to wash my hair. I'm gonna be using the Carol's Daughter Goddess Strength line, the shampoo and the conditioner. I decided that I'm gonna use these because I really wanna use this repairing cocoon mask. I haven't had a chance to use it yet, so I'm gonna be using this today. I'm about to go ahead, wash my hair, and I'll be back once I get done. So I have washed my hair. I did wash and condition it, and now I'm about to go in with this hair mask just because I feel like my hair is really dry and it needs some extra conditioning. But I want to show y'all. Let me give y'all a little behind the scenes of how I actually come up with my hairstyles. Really, all I do is I go to Pinterest and I look through a lot, hundreds probably of pictures, and I try to figure out like what do I have in my hair stash. For this style, I didn't really want to do too much, so I'm like, I didn't feel like going to the beauty supply store. I'm like, I have hair, because I have hair in my hair stash, I really do. So I'm like, okay, let me find a hairstyle based off the stuff that I already have. That's what I did. Okay, so first thing I do is I come on Pinterest, and I'm gonna show y'all the ones that I actually have saved. It's in this one. So this is like where I put, like, if I see something on Pinterest, I put it in this little folder right here that said hair inspiration. So these are all the hairstyles that I kind of want to try if I haven't already tried them. So yeah, that is what is in this little folder. But all of these required me to actually like buy hair, and I was like, I'm not about to buy no hair. So let me show y'all the hairstyle that I'm actually going to be doing. This is the hairstyle that I'm thinking about doing. Well, I'm pretty sure this is the hairstyle I'm going to do. So I am going to do the front a little different, just a little bit, but basically this is how my hair is going to look because I already had the hair. So I just came on here and looked at different styles and how they've been styling it to make sure that it's going to work with what I'm trying to, the look I'm going for. So yeah, that is what I'm about to do to my hair, and that's kind of how I map out like how I'm going to do my hair. But now y'all see how I actually find my hairstyles and all the things. But I have this hair that I've had, I think this hair was sent to me maybe a couple years ago, I don't know. But it's this crochet, what is this, like passion twist type of hair. I'm definitely gonna wash it because it has a smell. It's been sitting in the closet for probably close to a year, so I'm gonna wash it tonight. And this is gonna be the hair that I use, and it did come in these packs. So yeah, so it did come in these packs. But yeah, so this is the hair that I'm going to be using. I am going to unravel it, and because I want it to be kind of long, so I'm going to unravel them. You know, I'm just going to unravel them like this and then install them. But y'all will see, you know, how I actually install them. But yeah, this is the hair that I'm going to be using. Usually I do 4 sections. 4 sections is my go-to. But for today, in the sake of time, I'm just going to do 2 sections, the front and the back. So for the back, I'm just gonna take a section, like a section about this big. I'm gonna go heavy with it because I feel like my hair needs it, and it's very thick. Let me show y'all. It's very thick. So yeah, I'm gonna go heavy with it because I feel like my hair needs some moisture. Okay, it's been dry for a long time. So as I put conditioner on one section, I'm gonna twist that section up and just move on to the whole back of my hair. And I do that so that it doesn't get tangled up and it doesn't get dried out. And then I'll just rinse this out. so I have blow dried my hair straight, and now I'm just ready to go ahead and start styling my hair. But because I do my own hair, I'm not gonna try to tackle all this in one day, so I'm gonna save the next part for tomorrow. I don't have anything to do, so I can dedicate tomorrow afternoon to just finish doing my hair. So that is what I'm gonna do. I'm about to get ready for bed, so I will see y'all in the morning. Good morning, y'all. It's Friday and I am about to start back doing my hair. This is feeling more like a vlog than a hair tutorial. I just wanted to show y'all what I have done so far. Yesterday I did wash this this hair, and I just washed it with like some regular shampoo. So this is how the front is looking. I did do my rubber bands just a tidbit too tight. I would suggest you don't do your rubber bands too tight, y'all. Like, I'm gonna have to put some oil on them because I tossed and turned last night. I really did. And I would like to keep my edges, so we're gonna loosen these up a little bit today. I did do the back. Y'all already saw that I prepped my hair, so I went ahead and like braided it down because I am gonna crochet this hair in, so I'll show y'all that today. This is the hair that I'm gonna be using. I did wash it. Yeah, I washed it, so it smells good. Now, what did I use to wash this hair anyway? So I used this shampoo. This is just some shampoo that I have that I don't use, so I just put it on this hair. I hung it in the bathroom over the shower curtain or the shower rod, so it could dry, and I blow dried it a little bit last night, and it's dry. It's completely dry. So this is one pack too, by the way. This is all just one pack of hair. Now for these in the back, because they're smaller, I'm only using one twist, but as I get up to the top, I may start using 2 twists so that it's a little fuller and they're a little bigger. I have, let's see, 1 pack, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 packs. 6 packs of hair. I don't know if I'm gonna use all of this, but I have some left over too, so I didn't use all of it. I'm unraveling these because I'm not crocheting it in like this. I'm gonna actually twist it in like to my real hair. Just unravel it like this. So it should look like this once you unravel it. Okay, so I'm gonna take one of these braids. Y'all see I have already braided it down maybe like an inch or 2. You don't need a whole lot, maybe just an inch or 2. And so I'm gonna take the hair, take my crochet hook, and I'm gonna hook the crochet hook into the braid like that, and then hook the hair on, pull it through. And then now I have my 2 pieces like this. And so all I do at this point is I grab my braid in one hand like this, and I'm gonna twist this around. So I just twist it around one time, and so now I'm gonna get my braiding gel, and I'm gonna put it on my actual hair and start twisting it down. Now this is just to blend my hair with this twist hair. So as I go down, I add more braiding gel, just a little bit, not that much. And I add that to my actual hair. And then just twist it all the way down. That's it, that's all you do. What is it? It's been 3 days now. It's probably been 3 days, y'all. I don't know. The advantage I have is that I work from home. I do my own hair. I didn't have to spend any money, so that is a plus in my book. And this is why I do my own hair. It's because I get to do it at my own time. I don't have to pay anybody and be on their time. It works for me. So that's why I always encourage you guys, like, if you can, try to do it on your own, because sometimes these styles are not too far out of reach. Like, you can really do it. This style is super easy. You could do this. I believe y'all could do this. I believe you can do it. And see, this is a long braid. This hair is not that long if you just crochet it in. It's gonna be, let me show you. So if you just crochet it in, it's this length. And then you see how long it gets when you unravel it and twist it down. So that's why I always take it out of this twist so that it can get longer. And that's what I'm doing. You can do this hairstyle, like section your hair off with the rubber bands, but I think it would be better to braid your hair down a little bit like I did, maybe like 1 inch or 2. That way you're not putting so much tension on your hair or your scalp with rubber bands. All of these are done. Let me show y'all what it looks like. Oh, except for these 2. I just gotta do the front. Go ahead and show y'all how I do the 2 that are bigger. Okay, so for the ones that are like bigger, like chunkier twists, I'm gonna be using two of these little twists. So I just unravel them like I did before. And they should look like this. And then do the same to the other one. Okay, so what I do is I am gonna take my crochet hook and I'm gonna hook it in sideways like this. And then I'm gonna attach one of the hair pieces in and pull it in sideways. Just like that. And then I'm gonna take the crochet hook again and hook it through up, front and back way. And then I'm gonna attach the hair on here like this, pull it through. Y'all, this hairstyle is so easy. Pull it through like that. So then I'm gonna take a piece like this. This is my hair in this hand, and then this is just the twist hair, and I'm gonna twist it around the base of the twist like that. And then I'm gonna just start twisting. And that's just to hold it in place a little better, give it some security. Other thing that I'm doing different for this hair that's a thick piece of hair is I'm gonna split it, and then I'm gonna put some hair in each section, my actual hair. So I'm gonna split it like that. And then so now for my hair, I'm gonna be using this braiding gel, and I'm just gonna put that on my hair and just twist it all the way down and add the braiding gel as I go down. So I'm just gonna be add as much as you need so that it blends with your hair. So that's what I'm doing, just adding this in as I go. Y'all, I am literally,
I know you don't want to go,
taking these out. Not because I don't want them in, but because I just didn't like how it was looking.
I wanted it too.
And so, yeah, I'm about to take them down and redo it. So we will see what it looks like once I redo it. But,
how do you get through that?
Yeah, I was not happy with how that looked. I couldn't do it. So I took it down. I'm gonna leave this like that, but all of this in the front gotta be changed. So let's see how it turns out. It is a new day. It's a new day, and I want to show y'all how my hair is looking now. I wasn't intending on adding any type of boho feel to this hair, but when I was looking at it last night, I was like, I think I want to add some boho pieces. So I'm going to see how it looks. First, I want to say that I do like this style, but I could not get it to be tight. I think I would have had to like really tightly twist these so they would be tighter. But anywho, y'all, I did redo it. I like it so far. And I did find this hair that was in my hair stash, because y'all know I was not going to the beauty supply store. This was use what you got type of hairstyle. So I found this hair. It's like a water wave crochet hair. It's synthetic hair. So I'm just gonna add a couple pieces maybe to this to make it a little boho. So yeah, we're gonna see how this looks. So I'm gonna add some pieces and then I'm gonna be done, because I've been working on this hairstyle for 4 days now, and that's ridiculous. So this is what the hair looks like. I just put some of that same braiding gel that I have been using. I put it on the hair to like make it so it's not frizzy, because when you separate it, it looks like this, but when you put the braiding gel on it, it looks like this. So I'm gonna go ahead and just crochet this into some of the pieces like in the front. That's mostly what I'm going for. It's like the curly pieces in the front. And I do like to crochet it in at the root. Just lasts longer in my opinion. Okay, I like that. I mean, you can't really tell, but yeah, I like that.